Ekuqaleni konyaka isimo somnotho sande kakhulu. Manje isithese ithi kwadilizwa abasebenzi abawela kwizinkulungwane ezingama500 kwizimboni ezihlukene. Abasebenzi basemaplazini abangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama20 nabo baphelwa umsebenzi. Ibala kwezinkulungwane ezingama400 imisebenzi yalahleka ezweni lonke.
Clearly, these figures, they represent the pain experienced by the individual workers, their families, and even the communities. And from the side of the Department of Labor, the experience which we have gained in distributing the COVID-19 benefits means that the unemployment insurance fund must be geared up to handle the expected rise in the claims for the ordinary UIF.
Kodwa manje into sezibheda kakhulu nakuqala selokhu kwavalwa ezomnotho ekupheleni kaNdasa phecelezi uMarch.
All firms will come under a lot of pressure, and we will probably see more firm closures, and of course that has negative implications for the labor market. Our preliminary estimates point to around 900,000 job losses for this year. So I think in the absence of reforms and growth enhancing measures, it is going to be very difficult to see how the economy regains some of these job losses.
Kunabakholelwa ekutheni isibalo sabantu la emsebenzi cishe sesinyukele kuma-50% njengamanje. Mbongeni Mutsho, SABC eGoli.